Hey guys, Brandon from Great Escapes RV here with a quick tip about your propane. So I get asked all the time, which way does my regulator need to be facing? If I put it in the middle, won't I pull from both tanks? You will, but you're not going to be at your maximum capacity. If I point it to the tank I'm using, I get 100% flow. And when this tank runs empty, my indicator turns red, letting me know the tank is empty. My regulator will automatically switch over to my other tank, so there's no need to worry about that. Again, I'm only at 75% capacity, but at least I know my tank is empty. If I go in the middle, I don't know I need propane until both tanks are empty. So point it to the propane tank you want to use. This is Brandon with your quick tip.